Listen up, you donkey. Are you tired of serving up culinary disasters that would make a 5-year-old cry? Do you think a ripe avocado is something you find in a museum? Well, get ready to ditch the takeout menus and unleash your inner kitchen genius. In this video, I'm going to share some mind-blowing food hacks that will elevate your cooking game from zero to hero. We're talking about game changers, folks. Simple yet brilliant tricks that will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Get ready to blow your taste buds away. Have you ever been craving banana bread only to find out your bananas are as green as a witch's nose? Don't you dare even think about using those. We're going for perfectly ripe, sweet, and delicious, and we're going to do it fast. Here's the trick. Grab yourself a brown paper bag, toss those green bananas in, and add an apple. Yes, an apple. You see, apples release this magical gas called ethylene that speeds up the ripening process. It's like a time machine for your bananas, transforming them from rock hard to perfectly ripe overnight. Just make sure to close the bag tightly to trap all that ethylene goodness. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for this one. Let's face it, peeling hard-boiled eggs can be a right pain in the backside. It's like trying to peel a tiny, fragile planet without cracking it open. But fear not, my culinary comrades, because I'm about to share a technique so simple it's almost criminal. Once your eggs are cooked, drain the boiling water and give them a good shake in the pan. Yes, you heard me right, shake the living daylights out of them. This creates tiny cracks in the shell, making it a breeze to peel. Now, fill the pan with cold water and let those eggs chill out for a bit. When you're ready to peel, simply crack the shell on the bottom and watch as it practically slides off. No more mangled eggs, no more frustration, just pure peeled perfection. Pancakes, the breakfast of champions, or at least they should be. But let's be honest, getting those perfectly round, evenly cooked pancakes can be a recipe for disaster. Lumpy batter, uneven shapes, it's enough to make you want to chuck the whole pan out the window. But hold your horses, because I've got a hack that's going to change your pancake game forever. Grab yourself a clean, empty ketchup bottle, or any squeeze bottle for that matter, and give it a good rinse. Now carefully pour your pancake batter into the bottle, screw on the lid, and you're ready to go. The squeeze bottle gives you ultimate control over the batter, allowing you to create perfectly shaped pancakes every single time. No more messy spills, no more uneven cooking, just pure pancake perfection. Craving something sweet, indulgent, and ridiculously easy to make? Look no further than these instant ice cream cookies. We're talking about a match made in heaven-soft, chewy cookies enveloping a scoop of your favorite ice cream. And the best part? You can whip these up in minutes using pre-made cookie dough. Simply grab a pack of your favorite cookie dough. I won't judge if it's the store-bought kind. Scoop out equal portions and flatten them slightly on a baking sheet. Now here's the fun part. Place a scoop of your favorite ice cream in the center of each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven until the cookies are golden brown and the ice cream is melty and irresistible. Let them cool for a few minutes before indulging in this heavenly treat. Don't you dare throw away that lemon after you've zested it. We're about to turn it into a handy-dandy citrus sprayer that will elevate your dishes with a burst of fresh flavor. First things first, give your lemon a good roll on the counter. This will help to release all those flavorful juices. Next, grab a sharp knife or a skewer and carefully puncture a hole in the top of the lemon. Now here's the magic touch. Insert a small spray nozzle into the hole you just created. You can find these nozzles at most kitchen stores or online. Give your lemon a gentle squeeze and voila! You've got yourself a DIY citrus sprayer that's perfect for spritzing on salads, fish, or even cocktails. Talk about turning trash into treasure. There you have it, you lot. 5 mind-blowing food hacks that will transform you from a kitchen zero to a culinary hero. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be a stressful ordeal. With a few simple tricks up your sleeve, you can create delicious, impressive dishes that will have your friends and family begging for more. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking like you mean it. And for God's sake, don't burn the bloody dinner.